first step. Step number 1, we grab all the ingredients and we also pick out our flour. There's all kinds of flour, and I'll show you the one that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing this one right here that I'm putting out. And we are going to, so my teacher's going to pour it into this, and then we're going, so she's going to pour it into this, and this is going to pour it out into this. We just open the lid, and he pours it in. Then we put the flour in. Then we close it up, and we watch it bloom. Thank you for listening. Does anybody have any questions?
Yes. What is in this gray bucket that you're pouring into the pot?
That is the water, so the flower can bloom.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your favorite thing about the flower bloom?
I like it's yummy drinking it, and it tastes good. And it's good because the flour makes it yummy. But we had to miss a couple of ingredients because we didn't have it. Any more questions?
How long does it take to bloom into a flower?
I don't know. Well, my mom told me, but I don't really want to know. Any more?